This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for December 20th, 2024. It's currently December 12th, 2024, 7:42 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $604.33. That's USD. And the shuffle video for the December 20th reading was created on October 15th, 2024 at 1:09 p.m. Eastern Time. There were some clear kinetics that came to me for this one as well. The Emperor card and the Ace of Swords card when I was doing the spread for this. Neither of those appear in this reading. So that says to me that we likely have a channel between an important resistance on a multi-day scale and an important support level on a multi-day scale. We likely go back and forth between them, or we're bound within that range somehow. We'll look at it in more detail as we progress. And I just want to apologize for the unedited version here. It was necessary to catch up. So much appreciation for your patience. We will get back on track shortly. Also, if you like these one-day readings by the hour and you'd like to see your ticker symbol covered in the same manner, that is one of our premium services. You can actually get 1 month worth of consecutive one-day readings predicting the chart behavior by the hour with the highs and the lows for each day and the trades for whatever stock ticker you're interested in. I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. So the overall theme of behavior, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance and meet another resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline behavior on the high side, we have a decline out of the highest high for the day, increasing with momentum moving forward out of the high. Behavior around the lowest low, it's nullified, but there should be some sort of erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. In the midst of that, we likely revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. It looks like the high and the low for the day are within close time proximity to each other. It's very likely that we decline from the high to the low, and we might even revisit the high again based on the within close time proximity to the low based on the nullification and the overall behavior of the pleasure card. I also have a nullified trade card, a decline offering opportunity, or decline ending with a fast sudden move higher, although there's not really any trade advisement there. There's another way that you could play the 19th. I'm just kind of seeing now. You could open up a short in the midst of this move to the upside here, where I was advising people to close longs. You could open up a short there. You might get a little like, hey, hairy over here around 11 o'clock, but I think you could probably hold that short for like a swing trade into the morning here, or maybe even here. But in the pre-market, we have sideways rotation, a fast sudden move higher, and then more sideways rotation at a higher price level. Right around the open, we have three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend in most cases, with the third cross moving to the upside. It does look like we have a significant low, probably a lowest low thus far for the day here in the first half hour, and there's a move higher, and then a full retracement and some taking us to a lower price level just before 11 o'clock within some back and forth price swinging. There's a notable reversal off of that low around 11 o'clock. Rallying into key technical price level on a 1 month scale minimum between noon and 1 o'clock, probably closer to 1 o'clock. I may like when we come back to the 20th, I might say, hey, maybe that's the same signs card from the previous day, but I just took a look. They're not the same price level. It's actually telling me that it's lower, but it's also warning me about unicursal drop. So I think the short trade here is probably a better way to go into the 20th. But because we're so close to lows there, you could still buy dips, and in the not too distant future, I'm sure that it will work out well. Well, it's something that's something that you want to ask me when we get to the 20th and it's time to place these trades. Always double check this stuff with me, guys. It's a safe bet. And so then we've got this cross-reading congruency where we rally from that technical price level along a diagonal trend line, and then that rally ends with a fast sudden move higher, and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line, increasing with volatility on the way down into sideways rotation between 2 and 3, where we attempt to establish support. That's followed by a big move to the upside in the last hour, and then it looks like we may have a sharp drop, like a big move to the upside into a key resistance level right around the close, and then a sharp drop from that close. Yeah, so I would likely close out of double X is usually a good place. It's usually indicating a significant low, if not a lowest low. But I think in this case the Herkimer Diamond is going to be lower. But I would probably cash out of short positions here, right at the open. This is a cash out stone, and then. Or if you want to risk it, you could probably hold it until just before 11 o'clock. But, the longer you have it there, the more risky it is. I think probably a better bet would be to open up a long here and close the long when we rally into that key technical price level on a 1 year on a 1 month chart scale, minimum right around the 1 o'clock hour. That would be not too poor of a location to exit out of a long. And then what I would likely do, I'd probably just exit that out of the long there and not try to swing into over the weekend into Monday. That's SPY for December 20th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Much love and appreciation to all my angel investors. You know where to go. You know what to do. And stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to get that special order. So you go to order now on our website, Tarot for Traders. Also probably stockmarketpsychic.com at this point. But you go to order now. The website will look the same. Order now. Click on custom orders. And what you're ordering is the 1 month of consecutive daily stocks. We do not do this for crypto, guys. It's just entirely too much work. Too many cars are necessary to do it. It's not effective. But for stocks, it works quite well, as you can see with the S&P. So you just go here. You specify the month that you're interested in. You specify the year that you're interested in. And you put in the ticker. 2,500. Look out for deals on that. Sometimes, occasionally, we'll have a deal for 1,500. Doesn't happen that often because it's a lot of work. But that's how you would get your ticker crypto or your ticker symbol covered by the hour for 1 month. Much love and appreciation to everybody that does that. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.